Negotiation meeting solid stage energy bridge licensing. 7. Technical specialists where understand your posits but the value is justified by performance. The matrix accounts for 1,200 in annual maintenance and 1,800 is specialist technological support. This ensures that a failure in one module does not affect the rest of the building. Sometimes convention batteries cannot offer.